I hate it when this happens, when you got a bit of text on your page and you got what looks like an orphaned word just dragging over to the next row. You could sort this out by adding in a return, a breakpoint. You might want to change the width of your text or anything like that. You could do that, but sometimes that creates more work for you, especially if you've got lots of components on your website. There's a really simple way to sort this out by adding in a little bit of CSS that balances out. So this is our estate. We've got our words. I'm going to go to the Advanced tab, go down to Custom CSS, and I'm going to drop in this simple bit of code. It looks at how many words or characters there are, and it basically just balances it. It's not going to be perfect. You're not going to get a total generalized block. Rather than the word more orphaning onto the second row, and you could have more words on here as well, but it looks so much better if it's balanced out. So maybe on your hero banner, this is actually a common problem. A lot of people, they have a hero banner and they might have two child containers, 50-50, and they got a bit of text, but the text is kind of just drags one word over and it doesn't look quite right. And then they go and say, okay, I'll make that particular heading 40% inside of a 50% container or something like that. And then you're forever jigging it a little bit, especially when it starts to go responsively from desktop to tablet to mobile. You apply this and it's going to balance it out for you. Hey, I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.